Hello guys, my name is Mike, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a GitHub integration with a Shopify theme. Let's get started. As you can see here, I have a theme here and several themes here. That is with GitHub icon and a name of GitHub repository and a branch. So these themes are connected from GitHub repository directly, and this theme is not, and you can see that there is no GitHub icon and stuff like that. So how to connect a GitHub repository? All you need is to click on add a theme, and you can see three options here. First option is visit theme store and buy a theme. Second options, this options if you have a theme already. You can upload zip file if you buy a theme, and you can connect from GitHub. So let's click connect from GitHub. Here you will see that you can log in, there's some message. Okay, let's go. Let's choose this account, and here you will see that I have two GitHub accounts which I can choose and connect any repository I have. So I already connected my Shopify to these two accounts. You'll need just to create like integration. Shopify will ask you to check, view, edit all your repositories or repositories you choose. So just basically all we need is to choose a repository we want. Just choose a branch, like let me show you on another repository, like this one. Okay, so I have three branches in this repository: development, main, master, and this is the thing that you can just create different branches for like development and for production or whatever, and test things, just test, design, and just stuff like that. So let me just pull I don't know, main branch maybe. Let's see, just you need to wait because it's just loading, and yes, it appears here, so we just need to wait. So it's just added just now. We have a theme name, a version, and we can publish it. We can do everything we want. We can reset to latest commit if we just change something or whatever. We can customize it as a common theme, and it's just a common theme, but what's the difference? I'm gonna show you right now. So let me just show you that it's working fine. You can see just actions, blocks, and stuff like that. So one of the most important pros when you have a GitHub repository integrated with your Shopify theme is that you can track all changes ever made in your theme. Like, let me show you real quick. Here's a commits that my theme have. You can see the latest commit was just update from Shopify for a theme. Yes, let's go here, and you can see that this is the changes I made here. I added a recently viewed price with margin 0. Okay, and we can see every commit, and we can understand, and we can saw what just, I don't know, a freelancer or manager or you made. And we can go here and see just couple changes. This is I made from VS Code, and if we changed a branch, we can see that I just add recently viewed like so. I just made some changes on it, and this is like the most important things that you can back up easily. You can track changes, you can add everything you want. You can just sell your themes here. You can, I don't know, create a readme file. It's just a common GitHub repository that you have. Probably you will not sell this theme because it's a production theme, but who knows. So, and this is it. This is how you can just simply import your GitHub repository theme to Shopify store. Thank you for watching. Bye.